Hi, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share with us. We're looking to the chart of Dow Jones. Normally I show on my channel only cryptos, but here in this case, I think it makes sense. It makes sense that we're looking also to Dow Jones, that you can see what we can expect in the next weeks. Yeah. So if I look to this information, then we could say that the big drop is coming here. The reason is we have here a negative channel here. This is the negative channel, and I think we will test this negative channel again. If you look to the formation here, you can see that the Jones make here a new high, yeah, make a little dip, yeah, and try to make here another high. Yeah, we have here double highs, yeah, first high and the second high, and this is a danger. If you see something like that and the price is not going so much to the top side, then we could say, okay, the price will fall here to the downside. We will go here a little bit to the top side. Yeah, that's not so that we not going. We will go here to the top side, the last edges here, maybe to 36,000, 37,000. Yeah, I think we have here a little bit place to go here to the top side, like like the Bitcoin price. Yeah, it's going to 67,000, now it's 60,000. So I think the last areas or the last steps um, will take here in this area. So I think we have a little bit place to go to the top side, but um, if you look here to this last edges, then I think we are really in the end. Yeah, especially if you look here, we break. This is the trend line here. Yeah, and this is a positive channel here. If you look, this is our trend channel, and if you look here, we break this trend channel to the downside, make a retest, and this is danger because the next move here is going here to this level, will fall here to the downside. So I think the crash is coming. First target, I would say 27,000. These are if we go to 36,000, 27,000, 10,000 points to the downside. Um, if coming very bad, yeah, if we say, okay, we have a really big crash, then I would say we will go here to 22,000. So the 22,000 is here. So the crash is coming. This is clear. And I not predict here some voices from the internet. They say crash is coming. I say this with my knowledge here. The crash will come. I think we have the last week at the October. Normally we crash in October. But if I look here to this timeline, you can see the crash is here, a little crash is going to 34,000, and now we test this. So if I look to this here, 13th of August, uh, 31 of August, these are 17 days. So I think we need here also 15 days. So the crash should take in November, I think. Yeah. Normally the crash should happens in October. It's the normal uh, cycle, I would say, because the last crashes was often in October. But in this case, I would say we need this part here on the right side. Yeah, left shoulder, head, on the right shoulder. So I think this takes 15 days. So in the next 15 days, we could see here a rising of the price to 36,000, 37,000, and then the big drop is coming. Then I would say 15 days. We have now 24 of October. I would say 10 of November, 10, 11 of November, the price will drop here to the downside. Let's look. the walls can take or stretch the day 5 days to right side, 5 days to earlier, but in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the price will drop here to the downside. And first target was here 27,000. Why I think 27,000? Because we have here a good base. Yeah, you can see the resistance was here at 29,000. We have here a good support at 26,000. This is a very big support area. So I think the first drop is 27,000. Then we have to look again. If we can hold this, then the price could go here to the top side. It will also go to the top side, but um, you can see we live in a cycle. But the fact is, what if I zoom this here and I saw this here, fact, if you see something like that, yeah, beginning from what is this, to 2016, then we had here this big drop at 2020, and then we have this. And this is not a good formation. This formation show us Dow Jones is finished. Yeah, the price will drop even more. So I would say we will go here to the downside. Yeah, we will go here to the downside, maybe to 27,000, then to 22,000, because you can see what we have here. Do you see this? 23,000 here. At the 23,000, we have here this good support. So I think makes sense. 27,000, 22,000. Then we have here left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, and then go here to the top side. But in general, we could say the chart of Dow Jones is not looking good, because you see here we have a good support here at 20,000 level. So I think this will come here to the downside to 20,000, and then new formation will start. So I think the rally at the Dow Jones is over. So now we test here some levels, and then the drop is coming. If you asking me, yeah, then I would say we will go here to 27,000. Then it could happen we will go here to the top side again, or if 27,000 is not hold, then we're going to 22,000. Yeah, but in the big picture, if you look here to the big picture, then we have a clear support at 20,000. So I think long term go to 20,000 and then go to the top side. Have a nice day.